Time and tide have sculpted Passage Peak into Hamilton Island's silent Sentinel-A 240-meter throne of ancient volcanic rock, where the land finally surrenders to the sea. Don't let the island's luxury fool you. This ascent is no casual stroll. The trail climbs 214 vertical meters over just 1.2 kilometers, with gradients reaching 35 degrees near the summit. In summer, temperatures can hit 38 degrees Celsius with no shade past the halfway point. Local guides whisper a mantra, 1 liter of water per person, or turn back at the Casuarina Grove. But come mid-May to mid-July, the southeast trade winds gift cool relief, making the 45-minute to an hour scramble almost bearable. I first stood here in 2018, when the summit was raw wilderness. Today, a new lookout platform, built in 2021, offers respite. But the mountain's essence remains unchanged. This is a place that demands reverence before it reveals its secrets. Every step upward traverses millennia. From this volcanic vantage point, Hamilton Island's resort complex unfolds like a master-planned dream, a delicate balance between human ingenuity and nature's dominance. The candy-colored roofs of Qualia and the Reef View Hotel cluster like scattered seashells along Cat's Eye Beach, their solar panels glinting in Morse code to passing yachts. What's extraordinary isn't their presence, but their restraint. Despite accommodating 2,000 guests, the buildings huddle low to the ground, a deliberate design mandate to never surpass the height of a coconut palm. The marina's finger wharves stretch into the azure with mathematical precision, yet from this height, even the largest superyacht becomes a bath toy bobbing in God's bathtub. The new platform is a mercy, but the true reward lies beyond its railings. From this vantage, the Whitsundays unfold in fractal perfection. To the north, Hook Island's drowned valleys create tidal races where currents scribe white hieroglyphs on the water. Due east, the Coral Sea's abyssal plain drops 2,000 meters, its indigo darkness swallowing light. At your feet, fringing reefs pulse with life, their neon blues fluorescing even at this height. For the Ngaro people, this was Kurrumbara Lookout, where warriors tracked dugong migrations. Today, sailors still use its silhouette for navigation. At dusk, a miracle occurs. Your elongated shadow stretches 3.8 kilometers across the water, calculated at winter solstice, briefly connecting you to distant reefs like an ethereal bridge. Passage Peak tolerates visitors but belongs only to itself. The platform may ease our ascent, but the mountain still dictates terms. Bring water, respect the heat, and know that these fleeting moments where time seems to pause are earned, not given.